San Diego City Council is voting on Tuesday over a single interest rate for all recycled water customers. The mayor of Chula Vista and residents in South Bay say the flat increase is unfair since they have already paid for infrastructure a Tidewater district is using for distribution. This is what Mayor Mary Casillas Salas, South Bay residents, and Council member David Alvarez had to say on Monday at City Hall.
We are one day away from making a decision that's going to impact all of San Diegans. My concerns is that the rate increase being proposed by Mayor Faulkner and that the City Council will consider tomorrow is unfair. What the proposal here is to increase their water rates by 40% over the next 5 years, a 10% increase next year alone.
The city's rates for recycled water should be based on the cost of producing that water in the South Bay treatment plant. But that's not what the city of San Diego has proposed. They have proposed an unfair single rate that bundles the cost of the North City water treatment plant with the South. There is absolutely no connection to the two systems. They propose to overcharge the South Bay citizens over $7.2 million over a 5-year period so they can undercharge for recycled waters customers in the north of the city. That's unfair and unacceptable to the city of Chula Vista and to the South Bay.
Is a pipe that we own in the South Bay. We paid for it, we planned for it, and we use it. If it breaks, if it leaks, if anything happens to these pipes, we in the South Bay will pay for it. It is not only not fair, it is patently unfair for the city of San Diego to expect those of us who are in the South Bay to pay and subsidize those who are in the North County.
A 216% increase does not meet the standards of rate making and may be challenged in court, just like the Metropolitan pardon? MWD. The MWD rates were challenged, and both the city of San Diego and Chula Vista received monies back because those rates were found to be unfair.